Hi everyone, this is Instructor Oliver, and I just wanted to talk a little bit about the General Coding Guidelines. These guidelines can be found within the ICD-10-CM official guidelines for coding and reporting in the front portion of our coding manual. The General Coding Guidelines cover different instructional sections. I have included a few examples of the areas covered below, which I will be discussing today. So for example, locating a code in the ICD-10-CM. This section explains how to select the code in the classification system that corresponds to a diagnosis or reason for visit documented in a medical record. The second example I chose is signs and symptoms. This section explains how signs and symptoms can be coded when a definitive diagnosis has not been confirmed in a doctor's office. The third example chosen is acute and chronic conditions. This section explains that if the same condition is described as both acute and chronic, and separate subentries exist in the alphabetic index at the same indentation level, code both and sequence the acute or subacute code first. The fourth example chosen is combination codes. The area of combination codes explains how combination codes are a single code to classify two diagnoses or a diagnosis with an associated secondary manifestation or a diagnosis with an associated complication. I hope the explanation of these four examples has been helpful. Happy coding!